Miami. Anong gift yas? Wala. Anong dash? Wala kami nun. Hindi ko ba nakita? Shawarma ang tinda? Okay. Anomaly to pag ganito, no? Ha! Bitch. Oh. Sir, ang laking kuto naman yan. Hindi kaya siya anomaly? Okay. Hindi naman siguro, no? Ay! Ay! Let's go! Ay! Anong problema niya? Anong gagawin ko dyan? Anong gagawin ko pag may sumasaya? Shawarma Yummy!
Takot ba kayong maglaro ng mga horror games? Kasi ako.
Oo.
Pero
Nakalaro pa rin si Payo.
takot ba kayong
Maglaro.
ng mga horror games? Kasi ako. Oo, pero maglalaro pa rin si Pyle.
Tada! Hello sa mga baby. Okay, po pala si Pahal. Takot ako sa horror game, pero maglalaro rin tayo ng Roblox Shawarma Horror Game. Forever scary. Okay, first time ko lang ito-try ito. And, hindi ko alam kung ano dapat ko expect dito. Medyo nagtitrending kasi siya ngayon. And, ayun nga, pasensya na kasi ang tagal ko nawala sa horror game. Parang 1 week ako nawala sa horror game. Gusto ko yung lalarin ko kaagad after kung bumalik sa horror game. Yung pinaka most requested, tapos ito yung pinaka most requested, yung shawarma horror game. Yeah, hindi ko napapabay nyo yung intro bago simula. Please to like and smash the subscribe button. And then, let's start Roblox Shawarma Horror Game. Are you live sa Facebook? Hindi, rara eh. Dito lang ako naka-live. Rara. Wait, may update? Christmas update? New anomalous customer plus 5. Ano ba to? Anomaly? Anomalation? Your income, 4,000, ha? Ba't walang sound? Okay, may sound naman pala.
Welcome
my
to
God.
your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Customers just love their shawarma hot.
Thank you sa 37. Korean name? Turn on grill. Muntik na buhay ito saan? How do I turn on the grill? Hindi ba ito? Or mga pipi, abot tayo ng ilang oras dito. Saan yung lintik na grill na yan? Puta ng buhay. May nakasulat na pala!
Great! Now open the window. Let everyone know you're ready. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like we are. Friendly, just like we are.
Okay.
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV.
Welcome to the night
listen
shift.
to
Stay
radio.
calm and follow the rules.
Music
If a
keeps
smiling
the mood
customer
up.
comes in, hand him a soda. The wet moving bundle he gives you must
It's more fun
stay
that way.
sealed under the
Have
counter.
a wonderful shift.
Every Friday around 2 a.m.
Serve and
Ba't ba pinagsasalita? Nagbabasa pa ako eh! Every Friday around 2 a.m. a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection. Exit through the back door immediately. Never look at the shawarma stand during the inspection ever. Should the meat on the skewer begin to pulse and moan, turn off the grill and leave. Do not listen to the voice in the meat. They only want you to stay. If a faceless man comes to order, serve him, but never look directly at his face. Some customers must not be served at all. Close the window immediately. In case of unusual or unknown anomalies, act according to the circumstances assess?
One shawarma.
Mamaya na! Assess the threat and take the most reasonable measure.
Right, thanks.
Never open the door unless you must, and always check anomalous customer through the cameras first. Your shift lasts from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. How do I Actually, wala ko naintindihan. Start with lavash. The fuck is lavash? Okay. Tapos, add sauce. Chess. Salidation. Add meat. Medyo matagal Lads Meat refilled, you can continue. Oh, okay. Kala ko isang customer, roll the shawarma. Give it to the customer. Okay?
Delicious as always.
Yeah, very yummy! Very yummy, mga pipi! Okay, income, 4,150. God damn shiz. Okay, ano ang gagawin ko? Wow! Wow po siya! Yeah! One shawarma! Okay. Ano meron? Ano meron? Ano meron? Ano meron?
That will be 150.
Ha? Teka nga lang, alam mo ba? Lakas ako pa yung sounds Okay, humina kasi bigla Seryoso na ako mga pipi. Sobrang seryoso na ako. Always check the CCTV. Kuya Pile, sige, I got you. Okay, ang sarap. Nagutom ako bigla.
Here you go.
Okay.
Oz.
Us? Like awesome?
I reached true strength.
Wow, true strength! Wala, kita ko sarili ko. Predashes. Okay, bibili. CCTV muna bago bigay. Okay, sige.
One shawarma.
Ba't isa lang?
Don't grill it. I like it soft.
Wait, don't grill it?
All right, that will be 150.
What do you mean don't grill it? Hindi ko alam, wala akong pakialam sa request mo. Basta, binigay mo na yung pera sa akin Wala ka na magagawa. So, bago ko ibigay, check ko yung CCTV. Okay, bago ko bigay CCTV. Wala nang problema. I think.
Here you go.
Here you go! Ba't ka nasilip? Bumili ka. Hello there, sir. Ano yung tsura pag ganito? Oh, hell no! Ayoko yan.
One
Hello,
shawarma.
Gramps. One shawarma, I got you.
And don't make it too greasy.
Oh, I will make it.
My
Too-
doctor already nags me enough. Sure, that will be 150.
Pati night vision, check ko daw bago ko ibigay. Sige. Thank you so much. May shawarma yummy. Pwede maglagay ng pangalan dito ng tindahan. Shawarma yummy. Okay, roll ko. Rolling. Okay, check ko daw to. Pati daw yung night vision. Wala naman mga pipi. Loko nyo ako
Here you go.
Here you go, sa MPH.
Still warm at least.
Okay. Ready na. Ang dali naman itong learn to. Nakakainis. Ang dali. Ano bang kailangan kong gawin pa? Kailangan ko ata dito mag-perform dito. Ganun ako. Tara, bili na sa tindahan ko, baby. Shawarma yummy.
Hello again. One shawarma, please.
Ba't ganyan boss mo?
Weren't you here before?
Before. Yes, before. It tasted warm. I like that.
Okay. I don't trust you. Ba't ka nagbabalik? Baka isa kang anomalation. Hindi kaya siya anomaly? Okay. Hindi naman siguro, Ay! Let's go! Ay! Anong problema niya? Anong gagawin ko dyan? Anong gagawin ko pag may sumasaya? Shawarma yummy! Wala naman nakalagay doon pag may sumasayaw ah. Tingnan na. Preps na tayo, preps. Tara, bili na sa tindahan ko, bebe. Shawarma yummy. Shawarma yummy. Here you go.
Sa mga iisa lang ang wikang alam, subukan ng Duolingo. Lampas ka
Here you go.
Warm again.
What's that?
Just like before.
Before?
Ano to? Hindi ko alam to.
You already made this one.
Ano to? Comment nyo na,
Never
please.
finished it.
Ano na nangyayari sa tindahan na to? Ano to? Ay. Hayaan mo na nga.
One for